Asaruna, my brother Kamunya there. For out of the country, for Cyprus, within a Cyprus, the EU country, Ibago country, Cyprus. We lost last week Thursday, we lost two Kamunya brother there. It was on Thursday. So today is Monday. Let me just go straight to the topic. I don't have enough of time. I'm just back from the work. What do you want? I'm just back, so I don't have time. So I might just go straight to the point. So today on Monday, we want to talk about the book for contribution. About the book for contribution. For contribution for the two Kamunya brother they will lose for Cyprus here. So several book day. When I president there, when I try to keep inform each people there, the whole Cameroonians there, more no say book for contribution day, but I already know say for me where a place, only for me where a place a day where I know. So now for me where a place they contribute money for die for the two boys they will lose them for the Cyprus. Would they try all means to send their cough back home for Cameroon for their family there. Would they find a means so. All the president for Cyprus here, I will take God name back now. If una want do, if una get meeting or anything, now try for the inform others then. Or those need be over can, need be all the can, they will be there. But now try the talk for outside. May the others then, may they know say meeting day. Yeah, because they say whole urgent meeting. They say I need to see the best meeting, the whole urgent meeting for the best for which topic for the day will talk. I need understand. But I see time again when I do a job, I know say I appreciate everything. Not easy to lose two people there at the same time. Then foreigner, different man just standing like family, not easy. So I see appreciate when I get for doing a work. So as they talk, they say book there for Miren, Iba. Miren we get Africa shop. Now for day, if you want to get a contribution, you just go get for day. So for all the Kamunya, they down for Lana Kalima, Son, Pafox, Panimi, all everywhere. When I try to attack for inform them, for attack them, they know everything they pass. So all things they pass, when I try all means, if person not get time, if we get a means or if we get own contribution, it will be good and fine. And not only Cameroonians there, all the Africa they too for the Cyprus, all the Africa they for the Cyprus too. When they happen with each day, if any man die, at least we just here, we go contribute. We don't know you because money you know. I really appreciate what you do. Because last time Bafraki died for this Cyprus. All man draw skin, no man no stand, and they end the burying Bafraki for this Cyprus here. But the billion of Cameroon they were here, no man no stand. And Francis stand with Mark Clavis, they bury that boy for Cyprus here. A family up to today, so never ever see who my taking not fine. So now try means when they try all means will send it to boys back home for Cameroon for their family day for day. We will be very happy. If we at least some of winners will get guaranteed say no. If it was bad, at least we get Cameroon at the two way. If it bad, they will stand support. They will stand. They send my dead body for my family there. We will be very happy, very happy, self. So I really appreciate you for all una effort you do. So anything I want to do, I try to inform others then. One na urgent meeting or no urgent meeting, if the two man die, if the three man die. This one a general die, general Cameroonians and Africa then. When I make group, WhatsApp group, for attach each other then for the group, for anything, my number you know, any my number, when I Mary or na John or na Thomas or na who, when I attach or is anything will happen, we will try for the know what will happen. Yes, but the very thing happen for Bafraki, they won't meet it 2 times. At the end, we don't see not where they do. Now, if that guy hang out Francis' hand, when Francis not even know you, we mark your wrist. I need to say, I want to talk. I just told her so. Head that I give you now. I say, I appreciate this one. When I fight for all this one, me all my contribute. And they put the owner give book for them. Me they try because with that boom, they don't keep left for their house in their house. They can't get the money. If they see me for hold, they say, son, and I book this. I'll move my money again one time. If they see the one say parents or person all die, the one go move for gas. Nigeria boy die for year. All man go contribute. We don't even know the boy. People they die, we don't know they contribute. They be only for Cameroonians them. They be only for Cameroonians. They say they will contribute. Or they get the meeting. When I join one group, WhatsApp group, for me contact each other for that group. Me they know it in the past. Maybe 1 or 2 man meeting this. I will still take God name again. Appreciate you now. What you do na nice and good thing. Now really fine thing. Now one OJ meeting. All man must know. At least because people they know. Me they know they did a bolo, they did bolo. Time no dey for camp. Una form one group. That group una put all man in name for day. Don't for Lana Kawe. Any man know Lana Kawe put in name inside the group. Cameroonian. Don't for Lima Sonny put out for day. More don't see that group na Cameroonian day now. Like a Cameroonian meeting now. That's so small big Cameroonian meeting now. One man will die today, will do something. 10 years again, one man die, will do something. Now so small they form group for bring people there together. Once they form that WhatsApp group, it will be very important. It will be very, very important for this site post. But always we just again don't play the or don't play the down. On ne connaît pas là pour partir même. On ne sait même pas. But when I form that group, it will be very good and fine. When I already form that group, I will very appreciate you now. Once more again for two when I do again. So as book now for me where a place, the other next place now for us book day, we don't know. Me keep work inside their back, me people inside their back keep work out time. We no must go now for that place, go contribute, or for their house to go contribute. You no must go. If you want to do some good, just finish the good one time. No do a half, left a half. No do a halfway, left halfway. Just finish at one time or I will very appreciate when at time when I once more again. Me the to me whole family type for one spirit, free spirit mind. For all man, any man you stand, I will be very happy with the person. Yeah, so the boy the way they die, now the picture, the beginning all man know the picture, say myself, now true picture where they send her for me, before I know the boy, they don't even know the boy themselves. Now true picture where they send her for me, before we see the boy there too, we know. And when they might even stay new, they just can't. They might even stay new. Now one of the boy they picture this, now one this, now gender the man, now fine boy then. Now one of the boy they picture this. I say the phone to my phone to na since we like to now other one this, now other one picture this. Now in this. So person when I go give book, when I give the picture, I make photocopy for the picture, when I give for the places there, and the person who can contribute, if it is when the boy this so, now the body where he die oh. All for Africa, black Africa, they all for Cyprus, Cameroon, they all. This guy saying I say Cameroon then. Now so now wait time gonna tell about pass the news for that one. Me my heart to me go small. Me my heart just relax time because I understand. I don't know it's the past. I don't know it's the past. Why they contribute for some with my own money on I don't know me. Me not happy to buy your own. When I want to make OJ meeting, people they must know the OJ meeting. They didn't make OJ meeting every day. When I make OJ meeting at 2 times for that 2 times, these 2 times, so even now 2 times or 3 times the boy they go. Me all man understand what did happen. They didn't make OJ meeting at today, tomorrow. No. For which basement they make OJ meeting? For which basement? For which wait to now be on the topic now. So the one saying that tomorrow and after tomorrow. Time see day. So the one make OJ meeting, invite all Cameroon. They place not the people will stand for up. People they will stand for up for years to learn about talking a president for Cyprus here. We will chinga them now, we will be president. And the way I appreciate when I work when I do, I appreciate where merci à vous, bonne nuit à vous. I love you now all. Cameroonians, I love all you now. Thank you, may God bless all you now for hand work when I do.